Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a site logo to our Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. Go to the Add button on the top left and select Elements. Click on Upload Media, Upload from Computer, and then select the logo that you would like to use, and then click on Open. Wait for it to finish loading, and once it's uploaded, click on it and click on Add to Page. Now resize it just enough to fit your header above, and once that's done, delete the old demo logo that you have. So click on it and hit the delete key on your keyboard, and then place your new logo there instead. Once you see the attached to header message, then let go of it and your element will now be attached to your header. And that's how you add your very own logo to your site. And there you have it, your very own logo to let site visitors know who you are as a brand. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.